Wow! A Labubu crane machine! Let's try it out. Steady, steady. You got one! Let's see what you got.
Cool.
Ooh, yellow! But there's plenty more where that came from.
Wow.
Okay, Wenda, it's your turn. Try to test your luck. You got it! And the color is, drum roll please, orange! It's a Labubu girl in a Labubu world. Looks like you got enough to play. Don't worry, just gotta shake it a little.
Yay!
Should we be worried about that box? Ooh, there's something strange going on here. Oh no! Your Labubu's under lock and key. Looks like we gotta play games to save it. Quick, catch those eggs before they get scrambled. Well, no use crying over spilled eggs, I guess. Still a good haul. Ooh, is this where Labubus come from? No, wait, they're all full of slime. Ooh, and little blocks too. Hey, we can use them to make a new kind of Labubu. In fact, we can make a whole litter. They've got a surprise for you, a key. Aw, Labubu love is in the air. No need for he loves me not with this flower.
Oops.
Wow, time goes by so quickly around here. Yeah, I think we're gonna need some help here.
Hey.
Your ride is here, and off you go. Better blast those sirens. Uh-oh, a rock! Not exactly the best time to get a flat tire. Of course, there's never really a good time to get a flat tire. Either way, this place will get you back on the road in a jiffy. When it comes to auto care, this shop's always prepared. That should do it, and just in time, too. Mama Labubu, the doctor will see you now. Aw, it's twins! They look just like you. Doctors don't do tips, but we'll take that. Next, bring these Labubus back together. Here's a hint. Match them by color. And by process of elimination, you're done. That was easy. Too easy. Now the real challenge begins. And what could be more of a challenge than simple addition? But first, it's time to think outside the box. What? We needed to get a pen. Ooh, keeping things on brand. Okay, write your answers and make sure to show your work. Wait, your tears! They've summoned a calculator. Wow, who knew crying really did solve everything? 2 + 1 = 4? I don't normally question calculators. Let's hope this guy's better with subtraction. Maybe it's some special code or something. Well, if it works, it works. I'm not gonna complain. Oh no! The soda war's about to begin! The people have chosen. Time for a half-off sale. Okay, this is just not your day. Remember, when you come into some money, it pays to invest in a little security. You know who's not going to be happy to see this. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! The rules of the game? Roll a die to see what happens next. Blue gets the first hit. You okay, Red? It's your turn next, Red. Put 'em up. Looks like you two are evenly matched. The winner might be whoever gets the most turns. Careful, Red. You're in the, well, red. This could be anyone's game. Time for the final roll. Okay, Red, it's your turn. And we have a winner. The consolation prize, a nice cozy cell. The winner takes it all, but this one gives back. Aw, this poor Labubu needs our help. Here, we'll treat you to a nice warm meal. Aw, our Sprunky friends want to help. Simon and Wenda will help with the main course. Next, it's time we start heating things up. And what do yellow and white make? A sunny side up egg. Next, Tunner wants to help out too. Set the timer to break a clock. Now that's what I call toasty. Ah, sliced bread. Need I say more? Anyone want orange juice? Ha! I'll be here all night, folks. Not quite freshly squeezed, but just as nice. Breakfast this late? Now that's what I call fancy. Here's something to wash it all down. Ooh, aren't you a great tipper? It's time for a little Labubu manicure. We just need a little Labubu to go with it. Do you have time for a quick trim? Hinky? Not exactly what we're looking for. Catnap? Hey, long time no see, buddy. But we're looking for a little Labubu. We found you. And just in time, too. You could use some cleaning up. Careful, don't get soap in his eyes. Labubu's in the tub, so let's rub-a-dub-dub. We should really unplug those ears. Now, every Labubu's known for its smile, so let's make sure it's looking its brightest. Besides, this toothpaste is minty fresh. And your smile looks as good as new. It's time to hit the hay. Aw, thank you. Someone's getting a mint on their pillow. Ooh, did you sublet this from the Three Little Pigs? Well, with the right money, it can be a fixer-upper. Unfortunately, the rocks might get to it first. Poor Labubu, we'll get you out of here. We need to get you to the hospital, stat! Let's start by cleaning you up. And you don't need nails in your head. Any Frankenstein's monsters notwithstanding. Be prepared with a Labubu first aid kit. Where else are you going to get a spare ear? Probably should clean off all that gauze. Now, we'll need to make a quick look inside. Did you swallow a rock? I don't want to know. Besides, we've already got a new heart for you. The final key! We're on our way to saving our Labubu. It was a lot of work, but that face makes it all worth it. A present? Well, it's someone's birthday somewhere. What an entrance! Look, it's Labubu! While you're here, why don't we fix you up? Let's start with a light spritz. Bye-bye, slime. Now let's take care of those pimples. Maybe you should have worn gloves. Time to brush the hair out of your face. Ugh, we really need to clean out those ears. Now sit back and relax while we fix up those teeth of yours. Well, if we can't make it pearly white, we'll just go for gold. After all, even a monster elf needs to look their best. Wow! A Labubu meal! Let's see that toy!
Wow!
Fries! Not a toy, but they are nice and salty. Hold on, there was a toy in here all along! Let's see just how far this Labubu can go. Now for a trim around the ears, literally. Share the love, and by love, I mean slime. Ooh, a burger. Looks good. Take a bite. This is why I usually get the nuggets. Still, you can't beat a fun fidget spinner. It's great on a nice summer's day, too. Gotta have something to wash it down. It's got a toy, too? Ooh, blocks! We can build a Labubu from the ground up. Hooray! Now your collection's complete. So cool. Now I wonder what's for dessert. Hi everyone, it's Oren, but you're missing something.
Uh-huh.
Much better. Now you need some company. Let's fix that. And here are your backpacks. And just in time, school's about to begin. There goes the bell. Quick, don't want to be late. Looks like we're starting with chemistry class. Okay, Semi-Hemi, pick your ingredients. Whoa, apple, candy, and a rainbow. Mix it together and we've got water beads. An A+. Okay, Sky, it's your turn next. Let's see, a heart, a unicorn, and a bit of magic. And what's more magic than glitter slime? Hey, look! The A+ already comes included! Okay then, we've got sugar, we've got everything nice, so it looks like Rabby's cooking with spice. And then things are getting hot, hot, hot! Can someone turn on the air conditioner? Well, guess a plumber's work is never done. The weather forecast didn't call for rain, but it does now. Well, maybe Ratty can have an A for effort. Of course, you can't have school without drama. And no, we're not talking school plays. Poor Aqua, she's all alone. And prom's tomorrow. Don't worry, a switch card will fix everything. Well, not everything. Now Pinky's all alone. Wow, never knew that was a real straw. Or that Aqua could be so transparent. Don't worry, refills are free around here. It's okay, there's plenty of fish in the sea. And by fish, I mean Simon. He's available. Another day, another bus ride. Just remember, there's no sweets on board. Guess it's time for some X-rays. Lollipops! And you would have gotten away with it too. Okay, you're clear now. Get on the bus. Come on down, Pinky. It's your turn. Well, that explains the polka dot top. Honestly, the driver did you a favor. And last but not least, it's Tunner's turn. He's clean? Well, we'll tip your hat to… What the… Caught you! You know, I always wondered about that hat. Okay, everybody, buckle up. Here we go. Guess Aqua's getting in her steps today. And she's getting plenty of rest with all that sleeping in.
Oops.
You need some wheels. And look, a bike! It's a bit of a fixer-upper, so let's fix it up. Don't worry, this'll pump you right up. Okay, Aqua, time to get pedaling. Lunchtime already? My kind of school. Okay, everybody, have your orders ready. Okay, Sky. First, a burger and fries. And it's time to think inside the bun. Now let's get the grill going. Just hear that sizzle. Of course, you need some greens. And cheese. 'Cause without cheese, it's just a burger. Now let's whip you up that strawberry shake. Whoa, check out that tip. Next up, Turple. You want a hot dog and orange juice. Come on, little doggy. Can't forget the mustard. Wow, rush hour comes earlier every day. Oh no! Binaria's energy levels are down! Don't worry, one meat lover's special coming right up. Uh-oh, I think you mixed things up a bit. Everyone calm down. This is a cafeteria. If you want fast food, you should really order in. Okay, that's it. It's time to ring the alarm. We're closed. Besides, don't you kids have classes?